Hello viewers, this is Tata Jewelry. We are going to talk about the FTMO, how to create FTMO account, how to challenge FTMO account, and how to fully verify FTMO account. So first, go to the video description and click in the official link to access the FTMO website. Once you click in the link, you will see two options, register from sign in option. Since we need to register, click on the register option. You will then be promoted to provide several details including your name, title, first name, last name, active email address and phone number and password and your country. And set your password. Remember, what password? Your password must be 8 characters long as long, including the uppercase, lowercase and letters at sub-symbols. Carefully fill out the remaining steps using the valid document such as a passport and driving license. After completing the form, check the box to agree to the processing the personal data and concern according to the privacy and policy. Next, select whether you want to receive news about the project and indicate if there is a country where FTMO doesn't provide service and check up, mark the box. In the substance step, confirm you are not a robot by clicking the appropriate box. If everything is correct, click the register. Check your inbox for a welcome mail from FTMO. This email will guide you on setting a password. Once that's done, you will be taken the login page. Your email and your password to log into your client area. Once you are logged in, you see the two options as starting the FTMO challenge or setting up the free trial. For those new trader, they chose the free trial. To configure the FTMO challenge account, follow the step. Select your account currency. Choose the currency that suits your best. Example, USD, Euro, EUR, Canada, and etc. Choose your account balance. You can select your various balance ranging from the 1,000 to 200k dollar. The most popular choice is 100k dollar balance. Choose your account type. Select the account type according to the preference. It is advisable to choose MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platform. If you chose the 100k account, the current cost is 592.98 cents. For the 15k account, it's 378.85 cents, and the 200k account, it's 1,185.797 cents. Enter the required basic information, including city, area, postal code, and the payment currency at. After entering your address and confirming the details, then you can proceed to the payment. Don't forget to agree to the data processing terms. Once you have the set everything is okay, you will see the payment method available. You can pay with a debit card, online banking, on cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency payments are also straightforward. Choose your currency. Bitcoin has a higher fees, whereas Litecoin and Tether USD have a lower fees. I will use Litecoin for the transaction. After payment, confirm it using the mobile wallet. I use my cryptocurrency wallet and wait for the confirmation. Once payment is approved, you will receive login details by email shortly. Now checking the leaderboard. Leaderboards, you can see the top performance chances someone who has made up a profit of 1000k with the 300 account, achieve a 38% return along with the many others of the different currencies. The good news is that you can also get a certificate based on your nickname from this platform. If you use the official link in the video description to set up your account, I am here to help you with any issue. Set up your account, and if you have any question, all my social media link in the video description. I hope this video will help you understand how to create FTMO account, how to verify FTMO account, how to challenge the FTMO. So I will guide you through the next step. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time and bye bye.